Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Tinder is showing the wrong location or not updating your position, follow these fixes. First, turn on location services of your phone. Go to settings, search for location services, and make sure to turn on the location services, and then go and look for Tinder, and then make sure that you are turning the option for Tinder as well. Then set location permissions to always or allow using the app, not in never. Then disable any VPN or fake GPS app. These can freeze your location on Tinder. Then turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it back off. This refreshes your network location. Then restart the Tinder app after waiting a few seconds, and that's it. Your location should update automatically once permissions are